Another invader is coming. NASA's DART, Double Asteroid Redirection Test, the first mission to test defense technology against potential hazards from asteroids or comets. NASA's DART has already confirmed the target, the binary asteroid 65803 Didymos, Dimorphos, to test how the impact thrust of a spacecraft could successfully deflect an asteroid on a collision course with Earth. The spacecraft will intercept the Didymos system between September 26 and October 1, 2022, intentionally crashing into Dimorphos at about 6 kilometers per second. Scientists estimate that the kinetic impact will shorten Dimorphos' orbit around Didymos by several minutes. It is extremely important for us to develop more and more technology to save Earth from asteroids, comets and other invaders from outer space.